Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I can show you the process how you guys will access a SEMrush premium version without any investment, and everything is 100% free. Okay, so you guys will see this is a dashboard, and I can also provide a one affiliate link, SEMrush affiliate link over the description section. So if you guys can go with a link, then you guys can get extra advantages. Okay, so you guys will see there is a dashboard. So this is there is a sign up button. You guys have to click over there, and simply you guys have to create your account. So you guys have to add your email ID, then you guys can choose your password. Then after that you guys will add a create account button. Then after that you guys have to go with a fire hydrant. So you guys have to verify your profile. Okay, verify the captcha, and after that SEMrush can send you a verification email. So you guys have to verify your profile first. So now we received it, and we can verify your profile first. Then you guys have to click for the confirm email button, and you guys have to check this some verification things. Okay, work, and once you guys can see this dashboard, so you guys will click for the skip trial button. And if you guys can click, and I can also provide with you affiliate link, one affiliate link. If you guys can go with my affiliate link, then you guys will get chance to, you guys will access a SEMrush premium version around a 14D above. Okay, and if you guys can go with a fresh link, suppose that if you guys can simply type a SEMrush, then you guys will create your account, then you guys can get access SEMrush premium version access for the 7 days only. Okay, so it's upon you. If you guys can go with my link, then you guys can get chances to, you guys can explore a 14 days a trial, 14 days premium version access. Okay, so there you guys will access all the things whatever you guys will want. Okay, so simply I'm auditing my website. So this is my website jobma.com, and you guys will see there I can go to add now, and you guys will audit all the things about this website. If you guys have used a previously SEMrush, so you guys will know what kind of features they are providing. So this is audit details, all the features, all the keywords, how much keywords are ranking, and the another things. And if you guys want to research a keyword, so simply you guys will go with a keyword overview. There you guys can add your any keywords. So simply I'm adding some keywords. So video interview, and you guys have to click for the search button. So you guys will see all the details we are able to explore. So global volume and the keyword difficulty and the another things, and the who is and the who are ranking on this keywords, higher view, and the another details. So you guys will explore all features, SEMrush a premium version, all features around within 14 days if you guys can go with a my link. Okay, so this is the process. So if you guys are new, or if you guys are haven't SEMrush premium version, so simply you guys will create 2 to 3 multiple accounts. So then you guys will explore SEMrush dashboard, all the features, all the features that the things. Okay, this is a very simple method. So you guys will explore SEMrush premium version if you guys are new, if you guys are planning to research anything with the help of SEMrush. Okay, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, are you friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on a comment section. And if you guys can want to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestions, so I can provide my social details over the description section, so where you guys can access all the details easily. So, and for the last, I wanted to request you with one thing guys. If you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request to you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will do something from your side, and I'm gonna also provide a UPI ID over the description section. So if you guys can want to help me something, whatever from your side, 1 rupees, 5, 10, or whatever you are really wanted to help me something from your side, so you guys will do. Okay, yeah. So okay, bye bye and take care.